Hey, Making Impossible Possible, it's day 307. So, yesterday I was back doing my first kind of extended run since I did my 17-mile run I took last week off, and it went really well. I'm really pleased. I'm getting faster, and it's good to be back out there again running. So, today is kind of a special day because it marks the 1 year point since I did the Madison Half Marathon, and at this time last year, the race was just starting because it was so rainy and there was thunder and lightning, and they still started us in the pouring rain, but it ended up turning out to be a beautiful day. But it's just amazing to think that 1 year ago, like, I trained really hard to do like a half marathon, 13 miles, and yesterday I just kind of blew through 12 miles in my training for Chicago Marathon. So it's pretty exciting. Um, Today I'm taking off, and then tomorrow, not only am I teaching my Zumba class, but some friends and I are doing a 5K that I do every year. It's called the Muskie Run, and I'm really excited to see how my time is. Last year I did it in 24:48, so I'm hoping this year with all my running that I've been doing, I'll be doing it faster, except that I haven't run less than like 5 miles in a long time. So it'll be interesting. But that's all for today. I have more updates about stuff to come soon, but half marathon anniversary today and the Muskie Run tomorrow. Thanks, bye.